Welcome to another exciting and fun-filled episode of Jason's Shop. Now today, I've got the Shopsmith Mark V 1962 Greenie out here. And I wanted to demonstrate something that this machine does really well. Horizontal boring. I probably do, I do a lot of horizontal boring on this thing. Basically, what you want to do is you want to put a very long hole in something, and you simply could not do this with a standard drill press. Okay, now I've marked my holes off here, and I've already done one of these, and hold on here, I want to get this up here now. I think I have to explain that the Shopsmith only has so much of a, or the Mark V only has so much of a swing on it, okay? And this swing will only bore holes so far. So what you have to do is you have to bore the holes, and you have to move the Shopsmith again to where it is, will be able to bore the entire length of the hole you want. Now I've got this thing set up on moderately low speed. I want to test it here a little bit. Okay, the thing about the Shopsmith that sets it above the rest is the fact that it is very, very accurate. Now I can bore a hole all the way through this without breaching either side if I watch what I'm doing. There is our hole bored, and as you can see, neither side of this, despite the fact that there's very little clearance between either side and the diameter of the hole, has been breached, and it went through at a total right angle to the drill bill, to the board. And I've got the rip guide set up here, kind of mimicking the, got off a little bit, but these holes are quite a bit, a little bit, probably a 1/16 of an inch bigger on either, or around, than the actual dowel pins, steel dowel pins that are going to go in here. What this is a hanging shelf. It's designed to hang in like a place like the kitchen, but not have any of the brackets showing underneath that you'd find on normal things. We're going to drill another one here. And that's about right. I've reached the length of my travel, and again, absolutely no breach in the board. The Shopsmith is one of the most accurate pieces of shop equipment there is. Now, to get the holes to the depth that I desire, I'm going to have to insert the drill bit into the hole, move the table forward, bottom it out, then make another swing through there. One more time should be enough to do it. And that just involves putting the, we'll just do this one since we started with this one. We bottom the board out, then we're going to release our table tension here, and we're going to move it forward to where this bottoms out. Make sure it's square. Tighten the table back up. And hold down firmly, but start the drill. We'll see where we went there. I think it's probably just about the right depth. We'll check it. But I'll show you what the hanging shelf looks like here in a second. And I'll show you how to put the dowel pins, or how the dowel pins go in it. This here's what the shelf looks like. The brackets, of course, slide in and are mounted to the wall, and then the shelf just slides in. You can remove the shelf at any time. It just kind of sits on the brackets. It's just an example of another one of the really handy features that the Shopsmith can do that not too many other tools can.